Hi, I'm City and this is another day in my life. As you can see, I'm starting this video from a garden. It's a rosemary garden. I'm plucking some rosemary. Here with me I have my rosemary fresh from the garden, and I have my cloves. So let's make the magic. It smells good. Then add a warm or hot water and cover it, let it settle, and yeah, for only 2 hours. So guys, I want to show you the length of my hair. You see, this is the length of my hair. I had some locks and I decided to remove them and start a new journey. So this is the length of my hair. So I want to use the mixture, the clove and rosemary mixture, to make my hair grow fast. I miss my locks. I really miss my dreadlocks. Okay, let's do this as we wait for my mixture to be ready. I've already added warm water and we have to wait for like 2 hours. 2 hours, then we spray to this hair.
Woke up with the weight of the world on my shoulders. Dreams feel distant, but my heart grows bolder. Every closed door is teaching me to fight.
So here is our magic. Here is our potion. So now we have to apply it to our scalp. Yeah, we apply and let the magic work. So you'll do that. I hope you'll try this and you'll let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment what else you wanna me do. Thank you and bye. See you to my next video. Bye. Chemi niendelee kufanya hivi. Have to massage ingia all over when we nywele like that. Make sure it enters and spread kwa kichwa yote.